How to fix lines on iPhone screen. So let's get started. Sometimes the issue of line may be caused by system issues, so you need to repair your iOS system. As most of the methods to fix system errors will erase all your data on iPhone, here we recommend a method without a data loss. Anyfix. Anyfix, it is a professional iOS repair and recovery tool that can help you quickly solve the vertical lines on iPhone screen. First, download and install Anyfix on your PC. Then, launch Anyfix and use a USB cable to connect your iPhone. Now, click System Repair, then choose Screen Stock and click Start Now. Now, choose Standard Repair and go on. No worries, it won't cause data loss and under this repair mode. Follow the instructions to finish the repair process, and after the iOS system has been repaired, you will notice that your iPhone is again in working order and the vertical lines are gone. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.